Hi everybody, I'm Jack.
I'm Nicole.
Guess what? Nicole is going to teach us how to make what?
Homemade French fries.
That
Baked
are-
in the oven.
And they're healthy and delicious, right?
Yes.
So stick around, we'll show you how to make them. Okay, first up, Nicole's got some beautiful russet potatoes and you're washing them clean, right?
Yeah.
Next up, she's going to dry those potatoes. Quick and easy, right sweetheart?
Yes.
Next up, she's going to slice the potatoes, and then I think she's going to make them look like French fries here in just a moment. Now the magic begins. She's cutting it into little strips there. These are going to be good. Next up, she's going to wash the sliced up fries that we have here. And from what I'm told, she'll next, you're going to drain them, right?
Yeah, now I'm just washing them to clean them up.
Now she's washed and drained, and she's adding cold water back, and she'll let those sit in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. That'll soften them up for when we get ready to put them in the oven. Now they've been in that water for about 20 to 30 minutes, and Nicole's draining the water off the potatoes. And what's going to be next, Nicole? What do you got to do?
Oh, you gotta dry them.
Okay, so the drying process begins. So she's almost done with the drying process, and in just a minute, we'll show you how we're gonna season them up. Okay, now my turn. I'll take over and do the seasoning of the fries. We got our nice dry fries that Nicole did. First of all, we'll take a little olive oil. Just kind of drizzle that over, nice little drizzle. Next up, how about some pepper? Oh yeah. Keep that pepper going. Lots of good pepper. This is good. And then of course some salt. Got our salt. Then some smoked paprika. This is the golden magic. Love smoked paprika. And how about some garlic powder? And next up, we'll just get our hands in there and toss them around in the spices. Okay, now we've swapped places, and Nicole is putting our seasoned fries on our baking sheet, and we're gonna be ready to bake them here in just a minute. In fact, I'll just walk right over here and show you. 475 for about 30 minutes. And oh, by the way, I'm gonna be making some onions and mushrooms here because we're gonna be having turkey burgers with these fries. Meanwhile, she's still spreading the fries out. Gonna be a tight fit here, sweetheart. You think they're gonna fit?
We'll do our best.
Yeah, she's gonna make room. There we go. Those already look good and they're not even cooked yet. 30 minutes later, crispy, delicious, seasoned fries fresh out of the oven, along with a beautiful turkey burger with onions, grilled onions, mushrooms, and Havarti cheese. Sit back and enjoy.